Sumikat man noong 90s, relevant at relate pa rin ang mga kabataan sa heartbreak hits ni OPM singer Rosel Nava na mapapanood sa upcoming GMA Afternoon Prime series na Born to Shine. Yan ang chika ni Athena Imperial.
Trend ngayon sa social media ang paggamit ng OPM songs sa online posts. Gaya ng suki sa videoke ng mga martir sa pag-ibig, ang 1994 hit na Bakit Nga Ba Mahal Kita ni Rosel Nava.
I'm really grateful na I was able to be a part of, talagang mga classic songs ng OPM. And through the years, parang hindi nawawala si Rosel Nava because of my songs. And it's a chance also for me to be known sa generation ngayon.
Sa bagong GMA Afternoon drama series na Born to Shine, na tungkol sa kabataang gustong abutin ang kanilang pangarap sa music industry, gaganap si Rosel bilang ang recording company owner na si Monica Pascual.
Kahit hindi ako masyadong sanay when it comes to acting, but when it was offered to me, I was so excited kasi aside from getting to do something that's different, something new, the subject is very close and dear to my heart. It's about music, it's about reaching for your dreams.
Makakasama ni Rosel sa serye ang mga veteranong aktres, gaya ni Miss Tessie Tomas.
She asked me, Tita, okay ba to o what? Then I make a suggestion. Kailangan talaga, ang good acting starts with good memorization. Hindi mo pwedeng i-acting yan kung nagpa-fumble ka sa lines. Maganda kasi pareho kami nagpe-prepare.
At new gen of stars gaya ni Michael Sager na gumaganap bilang anak ni Rosel sa series.
I've heard her songs, yung parents ko are big fans. So, ako naman, nakikinig din ako. And nakakatuwa na parang in their generation, she was the talagang idol nila. And ngayon, the new gen is working with her. So, it's such a privilege.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
And that's my chika this Saturday night. Ako po si Nelson Canlas. Pia, Ivan.
Thank you, Nelson.
Salamat, Nelson. At